respected Governor of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Sri Narasimhan, Sunrise Chief Minister of Sunrise State, Chandrababu Garu, my dear colleagues, Ashok Gajpati Raju Garu, Chaudhary Garu, the President of CIA, Mujumdarji, and my esteemed friend, Subhash Chandraji, Suresh Raidu Garu, captains of industry, delegates from 41 countries, and my dear sisters and brothers of Andhra Pradesh. Andaruku Shubhakankshulu. Actually, my forefathers, they are from Anantapur district, Ahobalam. Therefore, I have special connection and affinity towards the state of Andhra Pradesh. The another reason is that as a family, my mother, my grandmother, we all used to be and we are fans of NTR. And if today, if somebody is carrying that glorious legacy and tradition of N.T. Ramarao, I am with great pride want to say that it is none other than Chandrababu Garu. Friends, I was just thinking about this Sunrise Andhra Pradesh and Partnership Summit. 1,500 companies participating. Lakhs of crores of rupees is assured. And 41 countries participating. Then I thought to myself, not a matter of flattery, but a heartfelt praise, the magnet of the entire summit is Chandrababu Garu. And I want the entire gathering here to give a very big hand to that magnet. A resounding applause I request from all of you. Now give a standing ovation, my dear friends. Thank you. Thank you for that. Actually, the Irrigation Minister, Uma Maheshwarji, was accompanying me when I landed here. And whatever he unraveled in front of me, because this has, connecting Ganga Kaveri has been a dream. Dream of Vishwesvaraya, dream of Dr. Ambedkar, dream of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It is a commitment of Narendra Modi. As a nation, the 125 crore people, we need to make this happen, to make India Sujalam and Sufalam. But when there was an adversity in Andhra Pradesh, before we could connect Ganga Kaveri, Abhinava Bhagirath, Chandrababu Garu has connected Krishna and Godavari. He has saved lakhs of farmers from drought-like situation, saved 2,400 crore rupees worth of crops, mitigated and averted a famine. Why I am narrating all these things is, what is the purpose, what is the focus, what is the target of this summit? The target of this summit is the welfare of people of Andhra Pradesh. And that welfare of the people of Andhra Pradesh, I am very sure in my mind and heart, will happen under the leadership of Chandrababu Garu. Therefore, this summit enjoys that C factor. C factor is Chandrababu factor, because he has that commitment, that capability, and that creativity. You require commitment. You require creative thinking, that visionary thinking, that in 5.5 months, 6.5 months, if we needed 664 TMC feet of water, we are getting only 64 feet of water, and within 5.5 months, creating a canal of 45 kilometers, and having one Pattisima lift irrigation scheme, and within 5.5 months, connecting that 173 kilometers canal and joining Krishna and Godavari, it is not a small task, it's a great task. It's a task that Bhagirath did thousands of years back. Secondly, he is not only a Bhagirath, he is also being a Vishwakarma. Amaravati is being created. My dear friends, today it is a great opportunity to the state of Andhra Pradesh. We have Narendra Bhai Modi, who has advented Make in India, Digital India, Skill India, Stand Up India, Startup India. And we have Chandrababu Naidu Garu in Amaravati and Andhra Pradesh. And this combination, I think it's going to herald a golden era for India as well as Andhra Pradesh. I was telling to Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Governor, today is a great day. And on behalf of all of you, I am paying my tributes and pranams to the great saint and sannyasi Swami Vivekananda. It is his Jayanti. Today is his Jayanti. And what was the clarion call he gave to India? Arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. And I think this summit also, this partnership summit, pioneered by the CII and the government of Andhra Pradesh, is taking Swamiji's message to the last mile. My dear friends, when I am here and I am telling that I have generations back connection with Andhra Pradesh, Anantapuram district, if I give a speech like Chaudhary Sahab and Gajapati Raju Garu, you will not excuse me. You will ask me, Anant Kumar, you have come to an investment summit. And what are you going to give to the state of Andhra Pradesh? When I came last time as a civil aviation minister 18 years back, I started the expansion of Visakhapatnam Airport. But my dear friends, now Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi has given me, this is my third avtaram, 98, first time as the civil aviation minister in Atalji's government, then in 99, the Minister for Urban Development and Rural Development, again under Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now this time, Prime Minister Modi has made me Minister for Chemicals, Petrochemicals, Fertilizers and Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices. Therefore, before coming here, I had a telephonic homework with our Honorable Chief Minister Chandrababu Garu. He is a man of action. I need to respond to that. And it has been a diktat of Narendra Bhai Modi that we should create ease of doing business. And I want to place it on record. We are in a federal structure, cooperative federalism. In this cooperative federalism, if there is one of the foremost states with which ease of doing business is very great, it is with Chandrababu-led Andhra Pradesh, for the government of India also. I have been in constant touch, and he said that Andhra Pradesh should become a pharma hub. Pharma is a sunrise industry in India. In 60s, pharma was with the Defense Ministry. In 80s, it came to Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry. Then it came to Chemical and Fertilizers. Recently, it has become a department. And now we are thinking of making pharma a separate ministry, from larva to pupa to butterfly. Chandrababu Garu told me we require a NIPER. NIPER is nothing else, nothing but National Institute of Pharma Education and Research, and very exalted institutions like IITs. I have already, before coming here, proposed a NIPER to the state of Andhra Pradesh in Visakhapatnam. There will be a 600 crore rupees investment by the government of India. We only request 100 acres of land, Chandrababu Garu, so that NIPER can be established here. And if we work it out, we will take the issue to the central budget under the leadership of Arun Jaitley ji, which will be presented. And soon we are going to lay foundation stone to a NIPER in Andhra Pradesh in Visakhapatnam.